Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to remove a network drive from your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up File Explorer. You can either search for it or just select the taskbar icon, and you want to select this PC on the left side. So if you had any network drives, there'd be a drop down to select network locations, and you would right click on the drive in question. You would select show more options, and then you would select the option to disconnect. I believe it would appear right underneath pin to start. It would appear under here, so it would say disconnect. You would select the disconnect button, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do apologize I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.